Okay, so we discuss about a basic point of service desk, right? So when customer, either it is internal customer or maybe an external customer, try to reach service desk for reporting an issue or change of services or to get some information, right? So what service desk people will do it? Okay, either it is a service desk software or maybe a service desk, help desk or service desk, 0% will do it. Get an information of the customer report, customer from the customer and create a ticket. If he is a person or a service desk manager or a help desk person or a service desk L0 person, he will create a ticket. If you are giving information either through telephone or directly approach, okay, or maybe email, so he will create a ticket for you. Okay, and and if it in case of a service desk or a help desk software is there, so customer easily go to that software and raise the information. So with that, either customer directly interact with the software or maybe a service desk manager or a help desk or a level 0 person will go into create a ticket. And that ticket will mention with who is the customer or a client, where is the person means is what, where is the working location, where is that location. For example, maybe in New York, my customer is there in the New York, so I will tell New York office, this particular office, this organization in the New York office. Okay, is contact details in the ticket. First is the customer related details, customer name, customer location, organization, and the contact details. And in organization, automatically, once you are enter the customer name or a customer phone number, automatically all these details will come up because it is already fed into the software. So different softwares we use it. So that's we will see. Okay. The second part of ticket is, for example, I will show the ticket. BMC Helix. Ticketing system it is, but I want to just to show you how a ticket is look like. So it is a oldest ticket system, the oldest type instant reporting system. Newer is not available. So these are the different tickets. Once you open the ticket, it information shows like this about a customer details. It is a YouTube video. Okay, now it is from BMC assigning a ticket kind of stuff. So okay, so there will be a customer details. When issue is occur, when the customer is approached to you, okay, when customer is approached to the service desk, okay, what is the, is it an issue, okay, like an incident, or maybe is asking some service changes, change of services, like a service request, or is asking about some information, okay. So what kind of it is, what is the priority it is. For example, a developer is trying to push his code. That code has to be go to the server. Now it is not working. It is important, right? It is high priority. A user unable to access, a normal user is unable to access email account. Internet is not working for a regular users. They are working, suddenly internet is stopped. So it is another priority level. The server is down, the high priority. Server is down, but service is going on. There's another servers are giving the services in the high availability environment. it's automatically lesser priority. Okay. Service is down, high priority. So like that, understanding of priority, impact on the business. You know, sometimes we feel like Facebook is just we are asking our friends share what are the sharing they have done. We are asking that one only happy birthdays only. Instagram only we are watching reels only. But the Facebook, Instagram, they are getting lot of money from that services for through the advertisements. Last time it is down, two times it is down for a few minutes. So huge loss for the business. That is service down. Service down, like a service is unable to access by users. That is danger. Server is down, service is available or not. That is important. Okay. If service is down, it is very high priorities. So it is impact on a business, impact on the customer basis. So you analyze the what kind of it is. So you have to give all the information in the ticket, and that ticket will goes to that a specific department. So it means if it is a server related, go to the server engineer or server administrators, network engineers. If it is related to the network, which department is going to resolve this kind of issue? So that department will be that team will the ticket will be assigned to that team. The team members who is available very next will going to check the ticket, understand information in the ticket, and try to support the customer and try to resolve the customer issues. Okay. So what is the ticket? Ticket is all service desk events starts with the tickets. Whatever the issue is comes at a service desk, a ticket will be created. A ticket is a historical document that details a service event, such as incident or a problem or a service request. Okay. Tickets govern and control how service events is proceeded. Okay. So that is a document. A ticket is nothing but a document. It contains information about service event, means any issue is occur, like incident is happened, or a service request is happened, or maybe a problem is noted here, and it governs the how it should be processed. If it is an issue, if the issue has to be can be resolved remotely, or we have to send a person, or maybe it is has to be taken approved from other department. Maybe it is not one department, one team issue. It can be handled by multiple team members. Huh? For example, I ask my organization, I need a VPN connectivity. It's a simple service request. I want a VPN connectivity. So I want to do work from home. So I have to ask my team. So that is, I ask, I raise a ticket. So I need a VPN access. So it is not immediately the user is asking for a VPN access and give them. It is not like that. They have to check the service desk people. Okay, the system engineers or the system administrator will check it. Is this person is allowed to connect with a VPN or not? Connect with a VPN or not? First one. The second one is okay. First one is allowed to connect with the VPN or not? What is the second one? Is if he is not yet allowed, so then they may get required to ask the permission whether it is allow this user to access the permission or not, adding his user account to the authentication list, VPN access list. So there is process. Each step of process mention will be in the mention in the ticket. Okay. So I ask I want a VPN connectivities. So the system admin Esther in the service desk, we will inform me, that is, let me check. So you are in the list or not. So he will check the list. So who can able to access the VPN? If my name is there, so obviously, so the system admin allow me to connect in the VPN. If my name is not there, so he will reply like your name is not listed, so you have to apply for a HR or apply for the concerning team leader or maybe a project manager for a accessing purpose. So if he is allow me, then that system administrator add my account into the VPN access. Okay, then I can able to connect VPN. So this is entire process. This entire process, the every step of a process will be mentioned in the ticket. Okay, so finally I will get a VPN. So the finally ticket will be closed. Yes, the user is able to connect with the VPN. Same thing. I came to the office. Okay, it's a new joinee. I need a internet connected to my laptop. So what I have done is simple, right? So I raise a ticket. And I want a internet access. A simple service ticket only. It is simple service ticket only. I am just sending a request. I will need a internet access. So the team members will decide like how to get. Is a Wi-Fi related or wire related connectivities? What type of connectivity? Like so is we have to add this MAC ID into the Wi-Fi router. Okay. So is the person is using personal laptop or office laptop? Okay, so when it we will able to provide this kind of stuff, and when it is connected, is getting internet or not, like that step by step, every step of a process is governed by this ticket. And finally, once I able to get internet connectivity, so issue is resolved. Then ticket will be closed. Okay, there are used to route events between different resources for resolution. Resolution. So what is the routing events? It means some part is done by one team, maybe is another, the permissions may be pending. There is a pending permission, sir. Is already I told now VPN access. So my name is not in the list automatically. So they will send the ticket to the concerned department. So this person is asking for VPN access. Is can we add this account information in VPN server or not? Like that VPN kind of stuff, right? So like that. So it can be routed. Okay. So what is a ticket, guys? Ticket is a simple a document. It contains details of the service event. Okay. And the ticket contains customer information and to whom this ticket is assigned, that service desk person, and user notes, what is user is telling, the customer is telling, so what is that note? Okay, technician note, workflow information for how the ticket was handled, workflow information for how the ticket was handled. Okay, so ticket resolution information, critical process information, and finally closure information is also there. A ticket can be a document, a single incident, or a service ticket. Service request, sorry. Okay. So what is the incident? Incident is unplanned interruption to the service. Unplanned interruption to the services. For example, server is down, server will be, service will be down. You went to the bank and bank people said like, server is down, come back tomorrow. Wait for some time. What is that? Unplanned interruption to the services. What is planned interruption? It is like a sometimes maintenance. You go to IRCTC, night 11:30 to 12:30, 1 hour, it is planned downtime. So you cannot access, you cannot book a tickets from 11:30 to 12:30. 1 hour, it is a maintenance time. Even for a Cisco website said, sometimes I go and for reading some notes. So it is telling This is the planned downtime. From this time to this time, we cannot able to access. Okay, that is planned downtime. What is this? Unplanned downtime or an unplanned interruption to the services. User is unable to get a service. That is thing. Server is down. Storage disk is down. Okay. So that is also unplanned. Suddenly it is happened. Okay. Suddenly service interruption is happened. Suddenly network is stopped working. Suddenly the internet is stopped working. That is unplanned downtime. What is a service request? User want service like I want a VPN connectivity, I want internet connectivity. My internet is not working right now, or maybe I want a remote access. These are a service request. A service request can be change of services. I want additional RAM. I have 8 GB RAM. I want 16 GB RAM. I want 50 Mbps internet speed. I want 100 Mbps internet speed. So like that, it is a service request. A ticket can be a incident or maybe a service request. They can group together and control and document several incidents as a single problem. Sometimes we can group several individual incident as a single column also. Single ticket. We'll combine the multiple incident tickets as a single problem ticket. The ticket is a backbone of your service desk. Guys, you are working in an organization as a service desk analyst. You receive a different type of issues and you resolve different type of issues also. Okay. But how can you tell how many issues you received in the day and how many you are resolved? How many are in the still pipelining? How many are still pending for verification or maybe pending for approval? How can you tell? Based on the ticket only. Based on the ticket only. So it is used for every single service item that hits service desk. Tell me. Are you talking to me? Others.
No, sir. No, sir. Sorry. It was a
Okay, okay,
mic
okay.
was
I
on.
thought you. Oh, no problem. No problem. Okay, guys, it's a ticket. Okay, so what is the ticket contains? It is user information, the service desk person information. Okay, who is handling this ticket? That person information. User, what is the user is request? That information, technician notes, it will be there. And when the issue is occur, when the user reported an issue or maybe request a service kind of stuff. Okay, and that information and the follow-ups. What are the steps we have taken and conversation between service desk person to the user? What are the conversations happen? That notes will be there inside. Okay, supporting related documents, links, that information also in the ticket. So ticket is a important document in the service desk. In the service desk. Okay. And here it is one of the link. It is very helpful link for understanding what are the different type of tickets, incidents, problems, service request kind of stuff. This is the link. This is how to log into this demo BMC Helix ticketing system. Okay. This is how I taken a class. Okay. So here in this one, I mention how to go to this. Okay, from here, okay, the starting point, we discussed something. One of the student asked, so what is this ticket kind of stuff? I showed how to go to this BMC, how to create a BMC Helix free account and how to log into this account. Okay. Okay. Without giving your original information, how to log in, and also how to log in and see the demo tickets here, how to raise a ticket analysis also I showed here. Okay. So this is okay. Some of the information I added. So go through this video and also you can, when you have a time, better go for this link. Okay. So I mentioned the link also. Open the link. Okay. Yeah. This is not it. Go from 243. From here it is started. Okay. Go from there and check it. How to do all this kind of stuff. This is for yourself. You can able to open it and you can try it also. Okay. There is a lot of information available from BMC about a ITSM. What is ITSM? IT service management. Okay. So guys, the fewer points it is, what is a ticket and different types of tickets. Tickets are usually here I'm mentioning three tickets, but generally it is maybe it depends upon organization. Ticket types names may be little different, but in generally the tickets: incident ticket, service ticket, alert ticket. What is an incident ticket? Already I told what is an incident. Okay. Any failure occur, unplanned interruption to the IT services or deduction in a service quality, usually for single user or a service. A user is unable to get internet, it is incident, simple incident. Okay. But not higher priority, but it is simply an internet. Use internet disconnected, network is the next disconnected, or server is down, service is down. Okay, these are all incidents. That is incident type of it. What is the service request? I want to increase my RAM capacity, or maybe I want connected to internet. I want VPN connectivity. I want to get installed with some application. Okay, these are all service request. What is alert ticket? Alert tickets automatically created by different monitoring tools. So, unless I close that one, that is important. You have a infrastructure, means you have a servers, storage devices, networking components. Okay. You have your own data centers, right? So that is okay, like that. So you have a servers, storage devices, networking components, firewalls, everything is there in your organization. But what we have to do is you have to monitor. You have to monitor how these servers are functioning. What is the server status? Monitoring means whether server is running or not, storage is running or not, the router is that's functioning, the functionality of router, switches. We have to monitor from here. All the devices and our infrastructure we are going to monitor. Next, what is their functionality? Means how the RAM utilization, CPU utilization, process utilization of the machines or storage devices or network devices. Okay. So we have to monitor centrally all these items from our central monitoring system. What is this server? How it is function? Is it connected or disconnected? Or maybe their CPU utilization is 10% or 50% or 70%. Okay. What is their memory utilization, disk utilization? Okay. Network busy at one segment. Okay. Segment wise. So what is the network status? We'll going to monitor from here. Sometimes a server is down suddenly. That information also will get it from the monitoring role. This server is down. So that information is immediately sent to this service desk software. Okay, from your monitoring tools, you will get a ticket. Automatically, ticket will be raised and sent to the service desk. That is called alert ticket. In case of any threshold is reached, just like a notification, server is down, or maybe a disk is full, or maybe a segment of network is ఇప్పుడు అయిపోయిందండి ఆటోమేటిక్ ఇప్పుడు అయిపోయింది 5 minutes ఇప్పటివరకు పనిచేసి ఇప్పుడు అయిపోయింది ఓకే సో a threshold is reached like a warning or errors or occurs in your infrastructure in a network level or server level or storage level. So immediately the monitoring system will send a ticket to the service desk. That is called a alert ticket. So tickets generally three types: incident ticket, service request ticket, and alert ticket. Guys, understand ticket types?
Sir, again, can you differentiate between incident and service request?
Can I repeat?
Service request, difference between service request and incident
Very good.
ticket.
Service request and incident. Okay. So service request generally, like you want a VPN connectivity, or maybe you got a laptop, 8 GB RAM. Now that is not enough for your work. So what you will do? You want increase your RAM, right? So you ask your service desk, I want to increase my RAM capacity or storage capacity, or maybe you want to install some application, or maybe you want to configure Outlook. Okay, so you have to install with your laptop must be installed with Outlook application and configure your email ID in the Outlook application. So these are all comes under service request only. Okay, I think okay, I didn't list. Okay, no problem. Okay, so what is incident tickets? You are having VPN, but VPN is not working. Maybe your system is not working. Okay, your system is down, not working. Your hard disk is failed. Okay, you are unable to send and receive a mail. Okay, sometimes some people will consider that one as service ticket. Some people consider that one as an incident ticket. Or maybe you have you are a developer, your remote server you cannot able to access. Maybe you have to get information from your database server. You want to connect your database server for some certain work. You are unable to connect it. Your initially it is connected, now it is not connected. Your database server is down. Your web server is down. Then it is incident ticket. Okay. So you are providing services like there is storage services you are providing to the client. The client is getting a storage services initially. Now your storage is down. The storage server is down. So client is unable to get it. So it is become instant. What is instant? It is unplanned interruption. There is interruption is occurred in the services. Your internet is down. It is incident. Okay. When there is an issue, it is an incident. Wait. I'm searching for a document. I think I move the document. I'll still I keep the document here. I have created another document. I given in a training to experienced people. Okay. So I have some points here. That's what I'm trying to say. Guys, another one is in the ticket, you received a ticket, and of course, I will show the system. I have a one ticketing software system is there. But before that one, today, try this BMC Helix link. Um, I will share to your WhatsApp this link, first link. Okay, sorry. Control Z. And where is this another link? Okay. So, and another two more links are there. So guys, these two links is actually this Naresh is that time it is a service desk person. Okay. And he is another senior trainer. So both are sit together and explained ticketing, like how ticket will receive and how to resolve the ticket, how the tickets will be there, different types of tickets, priorities of tickets information is there. It is also very good information. Okay, it is also difficult to get information from any outside resources. We recorded and we kept that too in the unlisted manner. Publicly, these videos are not available, but we recorded in a YouTube only with a link you can able to access. Okay, compulsory. Today, go through this things. Okay, this is a video I have created that is how to log into BMC Helix, how to check the existing tickets kind of stuff. And these two are for different Noida batches only, Noida 16 and Noida 12. So okay, so we have given these two are service desk demo. Either two or at least one video, better to watch it. It's not a waste of time, compulsory guys, because you will understand different types of tickets, priorities, priority time levels, you will understand. Okay. So that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Here is a ticket. When you received a ticket, okay, either it is incident ticket or maybe a problem ticket. It can be anything. The same thing. But where I have put a, no, not here. So I missed that one, last one. So no problem, just I will explain this priority and impacts again. Guys, you received a ticket and the customer raised the ticket and with a certain issue. If it is an issue, generally it is incident ticket. So can you go and fix it immediately or maybe with remotely? So how much serious of the ticket? First of all, you have to analyze the issue. What is the seriousness of that issue? What is the impact of that issue? That is the impact of that issue. For example, there is a user is disconnected from the network. This disconnected wire is disconnected. He is unable to get internet. The user is unable to get internet. It is also an incident as per me. Okay, I'm not getting internet right now. Internet is down. So the information I given to service desk. Service desk approach, I'm not getting internet. Okay. And there is a developer or there is a meeting is going on with a client. There is a person. Actually, I'm taking class and another person is meeting with a client. His internet is also interrupted. Which is more important? Can I repeat? Two users are there. I'm not getting internet, and I'm taking class. I'm not getting internet stopped. And there is another user, okay, is having a meeting with a client. Okay, or maybe he's develop some application and deploying that application, or maybe he's delivering that application now. Some delivering the services. End meeting it is, or maybe my boss is has to settle some information which communicating with the client. Which is more important? Anyone understand or not understand? Question.
That the impacted customer.
Okay. So if in case, very good. In case for my laptop, internet is not came. I will take class tomorrow also, right? Or maybe afternoon if you have a time. Or maybe tomorrow I will take class. Maybe another day. It's not a big impact. It is important. It is impact. Not that much impact. Not a huge business loss now. Okay. Almost all it is 12:30 max. I can able to take another 1 hour, right? It's not more than that one. So I will last only that one. Tomorrow I can cover better, and maybe I will take later Saturdays. I can take it. But he is the person is delivering his project, or maybe client meeting. And a client, okay, client wait, internet is interrupted. Other person is taking class. I'm giving priority to it. That's a problem, right? So he is a higher priority than me. Even though issue is almost the same, but depends upon the issue, depends upon impact we have to analyze. Very good. Okay. So these prioritize the ticket is different numbers are there, depends upon organization to organization, things will be changed. It's a priority level 1, priority level 2, priority level 3, priority level 4. Okay. So some organization use only 3 priorities. Some organization use 5 priorities. Some are using 4. So generally 4. P1, P2, P3, P4. So are you get P2 ticket? Did you get a P1 ticket? Did you get P3 ticket? Like that. The terminology is like that. So what is that? It is priority levels. What is P4 ticket? Is a low priority. Low priority, as I said, I'm not getting internet. Now it is low priority. Okay. Service server is down. So now I am deploying an application to my server. The server is down. It is high priority. Okay. It is high priority. Users accessing my server application. For example, it is a make my trip application. Okay. Or maybe Zomato application. Now it is 12:30, right? So I go to Swiggy or Zomato. Now this time this Swiggy is down. So what will happen? Lot of business loss. I'm a developer. I'm going to develop some application. I am going to add some features or develop some code and push into the Swiggy server. And you are a user accessing Swiggy use thing. Swiggy server is down. Who is more impact? Based on the Swiggy, the customer side, it is more impact. Okay. So that is impact on the customer. So high priority. Why it is very high priority? Because the server is down, service is down. So users cannot able to access the services. It means it is become very high priority. Okay. So like that. So we have to prioritize the issues. Either it can be a incident, or it can be a service, or it can be a alert. Generally, service tickets are not having higher priorities. Most of them are a medium priority. Service tickets or service ticket or a service request tickets. Okay. Incidents, you have to analyze incident. What is the incident? What is the impact on the customer, that incident? What is the impact on the service? There is a issue is occur. What is the impact of the issue? Impact of the issue on the services. As a one user or multiple users or multiple user base or importance of the user. Based on that, you have to analyze and decide what priority it is. What priority it is. Okay. So P1 is a very high or urgent or critical. P2 generally high. P3 is medium. P4 type of ticket is lower. Okay. So that is my point. And already I told about this. Things. I will give you a break, 5 minutes break. Before that one, I'm going to tell one thing. SLA. What is SLA? Service level agreement. What is service level agreement? It is an agreement between an organization to the service provider to the customer or a client. So what is that agreement? What type of service provider is providing, what service support the service provider is giving. Okay, what type of service and what type of services. Okay, what type of service support the service provider is giving. Okay, so here it is. One more kind of stuff is there. As per the service desk, one more point is there. Service level agreement, in that agreement also indicates, okay, resolution time. There is a response time is there. When the ticket is came, you have to respond to the ticket. First of all, you have to respond to the ticket. So you open the ticket, see the ticket content, and tell the customer, yes, we got your information, we'll get back to you soon, or we'll get into that one, we are in the process, you know. So when you are raise any issues to any organization like maybe Amazon or maybe internet service provider, so what they will send immediately, we are looking into it. Okay, that is response. Next one is resolution. Means you done, so you resolve the issues. So this combination we also called as SLA in the service desk terminologies. Here it is. If you got a depends upon organization to organization, these timelines will change, guys. These timelines will change. For example, you got a P1 ticket. So it is an organization, is normal, like a, I will explain simple, yeah, Java T point organizations. Okay, so it is providing a lot of notes. So people can go to the notes, read it about the different technologies from the Java T point, tutorial points, kind of stuff. Okay. Okay, so this organization also needs support. IT support is required. So what is that? So their agreement with that one. So that type of organization I'm talking about is not very crucial services. It is services important, but not very crucial kind of stuff. Not a huge loss for businesses. So that type. So response time generally always same. Okay. So for example, it is a P1 ticket. So 5 minutes is a response time. Resolution can be a 1 hour. Within a 1 hour, issue should be resolved. If within a 1 hour issue is not resolved, and you said it is a P1 ticket, now it should be resolved in a 1 hour. That is agreement you are given. Maybe if it is a P2, it's a high level thing, you responded in a 5 minutes, and resolution is I given a 4 hours. So from my service provider, I told, yeah, within a 4 hours, if it is high level priority, I am going to resolve in within the 4 hours. Okay. It is a P3 type, medium type of ticket. So I will respond 10 minutes. Usually 5 to 10 minutes. Always you have to respond immediately and resolve based on the given timeline. So I will resolve in 8 hours. Okay. So slowly I will do it later. Tomorrow also I can do it. Okay. So very low level priorities. I will respond 5 minutes to 15 minutes. The example I'm telling guys depends upon organization to organization. The timelines are different. So I'll give a 24 hours, very low level priorities. Again, another organization, it's a very crucial type of organization it is. So what I have done, okay, I grade in a different ways. I'm a service provider. I agree with an organization in different ways. Okay. For example, it is lot of bookings will happen, right? So for example, take Make My Trip. This is very important one. So because lot of people booking tickets, hotels, okay, different packages, they're doing it is very important one. So if that server is down for a 1 hour, it is huge business loss for organization. There is a service provider agrees, yeah, any issues occur, I will respond in 5 minutes and I will resolve in 15 minutes or 50 to 30 minutes resolution time. 15 minutes max or minimum 15 minutes or maybe maximum 30 minutes I will going to be resolved. Any high level ticket is occur, I will going to be resolved in 1 hour. Okay. So any medium level issues occur, I am going to resolve in a 4 hours. Any low level priority, even low level priority is also now it is very important. See, it is the timeline is so depends upon an organization. So any important is occur. So we're going to be respond immediately. Okay, like this. Depends upon organization, depends upon IT service provider or IT supporting people. Okay, depends upon the client, the priority levels and the priority times will be changes. Okay, guys, understand P1, P2, P3, P4 and the response time and resolution time. Hmm? Or you are totally confused? Okay, just relax 5 minutes. Okay, just relax 5 minutes. 12:45. It's a 4 minutes only. Okay, don't worry. Just relax, have some water, and we will discuss again small points about what is service desk, what is service desk analyst will do, and what are the top 25 help desk questions are listed in this link. it is helps to answer in a service desk manner also. And what are the how to approach the service desk? What is service desk manager will do? What are the different levels of service desk? What is SLA, OLA, UC? Okay, what is different types of service desk are there. Tomorrow we're going to discuss about what is this events, alerts, incidents, kind of stuff. Okay. I plan for a 2 days, so we'll try to complete in 2 days. And of course, there is a monitoring. I will show you, and also how the ticket system is there. But guys, so relax for 5 minutes, and then I already shared links to your WhatsApp.